What's your hiccup recipe?
Well, I currently have the hiccups. And I've learned over the years the best way to get rid of them. It's not anything tragic, but now all of a sudden it's not happening. But no, I'm not going to fake it because it doesn't work. But I did just have the hiccups, so maybe we passed it. But
Oh,
okay,
there.
I have a little hiccup there, so we'll have to wait and see if I have still full-on hiccups. So I do.
It sounds like you're gonna throw up.
Which, yes.
It's disgusting.
Nanette.
So, what we do for this is I'm a medical person, and I learned a lot of time. It's like your hiccups are like, I think, an absence of oxygen. So what you need to do is you need to do what I'm going to do right now. Okay. Step one. You have to suck in lots of air. First time. And hold it. Once you suck it in, you have to hold it and count to 10 in your brain. And you have to exhale all the air and push it out like you're doing a breath test. And then suck it right back up. Again, hold it. Times 3. Okay. And the key is you have to totally push the air completely out of your lungs after holding it at the top. And as you can see, hiccups, bye-bye.